Hello and welcome to Abenteuer und Allrad, which is the largest off-road camping exhibition in the world, I believe. This is a mini caravan from Maturi in Poland, and I'll give you the price here. In fact, I can tell you it's almost 17,000 euros. This is called the Sideway, and if you can see there, you've got a description of the vehicle here. Right, so let's go inside to start off with. And so it's quite basic inside. Of course, these things are largely made to order anyway, so if you wanted something done a little bit differently, you could say so. So you've got a window there, and a window there, and storage behind the net there. The mattress here, which is quite thick, and under it you've got one of these anti-condensation mats as well. The cooker wouldn't normally go here, I just put it here because I wanted to demonstrate that over there. Lighting is LED. There's also a roof light up there as well. And this thing here has come out, and this is where you possibly would want to keep your kitchen. So we'll have a look at where the kitchen would normally go. Be in there. So you can use that for keeping your stuff. And of course this will lift up and go up there like that. Let's come round here. So you've got additional storage there. And as I walk around, we've got another box up the side here as well. Now this one here is quite the basic model, but there are others which can be other things can be added to it. For example, it does have on the outside, it has an awning, and others can have larger awnings, such as the one you can see in front right now. It comes with this large box here as well, which is great for storing suitcases and Wellington boots in, for example. And of course the axle is for 4x4 vehicles. I'll take you around to show you now a trailer for this, such as this thing here. And so this is sort of a base unit. It could be used for all sorts of things. Somebody recently apparently bought one as a mobile sauna, jacuzzi. That was not a sauna, a jacuzzi. And so it's got the same sort of the wheels from Jeep, and it could be used as the basis for a caravan or something similar. And boxes you can be put as required, and up to 2 tons I think can be built on. Of course, if you're pulling something, it depends on what your license. Bear that in mind. If you're pulling, if your vehicle weighs 2 tons, then you can only take up to 1.5 tons, for example, on your license. If your license is a category 3.5 ton gross vehicle weight. Right, here's another one here, which comes, you've got a tent in the roof, it's got a solar panel there, it's got a really big awning that comes out, and just stick this in. This one here has Webasto heating, and so you can see what the batteries are there. So the other one also has batteries as well, but obviously batteries can be ordered as required. Comes with lashing straps there, should that be necessary. This one's got the fan in the roof. That'll be all right for working against condensation. And I'll take you around here, this side as well. You can see how big the tent is. Oh, and there's that space for your shower, water. Maybe we'll have a look inside the tent. how much space there is up there. And storage here as well. So, Abenteuer and Allrad, great event in June, although this year it's being held in October. So, hope you found that of interest, and the website to the company is below, and if it isn't below, write a comment it isn't below and I'll put the website in. So, thanks for watching, hope you found that interesting, and all the best from Bad Kissingen in Germany.